ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நம்ம இன்றைக்கி ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட் மற்றும் சென்ட்ரல் கவர்மெண்ட் எக்ஸாமுக்கான இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் எம்சிக்யூ பார்க்கலாம். வாங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், அட் விச் ஏஜ் ஹெட் சர்க்கம்ஃபரன்ஸ் பிகம் ஈக்குவல் டு செஸ்ட் சர்க்கம்ஃபரன்ஸ்? ஆப்ஷன் ஏ 3 months, ஆப்ஷன் பி 9 months, ஆப்ஷன் சி 12 months, ஆப்ஷன் டி 6 months. The correct answer is option C 12 months. Second question, ICDS scheme was started in which year? Option A 1965, option B 1970, option C 1975, option D 1985. Answer option C 1975. Third question, gradual disappearance of conditioned response to stimuli is referred as option A negative conditioning, option B elimination, option C delayed conditioning, option D extinction. Answer option D extinction. Fourth question, in caring for a child following accidental ingestion of acetaminophen, which laboratory value should the nurse monitor most closely for changes in the child's health status? Option A serum transaminase level, ALT and AST, option B hemoglobin and hematocrit, option C white blood cell count and differential, option D blood gases PO2, PCO2 and pH. Answer option A serum transaminase level, ALT and AST. Fifth question, respiratory center is situated at which part of brain? Option A medulla, option B thalamus, option C pons, option D cerebellum. Answer option A medulla. Sixth question, the test that is most specific for myocardial damage is option A myoglobin, option B troponin I, option C CKMB, option D troponin T. Answer option B troponin I. Seventh question, which is the largest gland in the human body? Option A pancreas, option B liver, option C pituitary gland, option D thyroid gland. Answer option B liver. Eighth question, when blood pressure falls, which of the following is secreted by kidney to release it? Option A erythropoietin, option B aldosterone, option C epinephrine, option D renin. Answer option D renin. Ninth question, a 4-day-old neonate is under phototherapy in NICU. The child has shrill cry with neck retraction. Diagnosis is option A Erb's palsy, option B Hernigtrus, option C tetany, option D tetanus. Answer option B Hernigtrus. 10th question, identify the image. Option A spirometry, option B BiPAP machine, option C CPAP machine, option D 3-chamber drainage system. Answer option A spirometry. 11th question, drug of choice in pregnancy in first trimester of pregnancy in case hyperthyroidism. Option A carbimazole, option B thiocyanate, option C propyl thiouracil, option D perchlorate. Answer option C propyl thiouracil. 12th question. Which client is at risk for the development of sodium level at 130 milliequivalent per liter? Option A. The client with hyperaldosteronism. Option B. The client with Cushing syndrome. Option C. The client who is taking corticosteroids. Option D. The client who is taking diuretics. Answer. Option D. The client who is taking diuretics. 13th question. Enzyme which useful helps in digestion of fat. Option A. Amylase. Option B. Lipase. Option C. Enterokinase. Option D. Trypsin. Answer. Option B. Lipase. 14th question. The pelvic shape has the poorest progress from vaginal delivery. Option A. Android. Option B. Gynecoid. Option C. Anthropoid. Option D. Platyploid. Answer. Option A. Android. 15th question. Kegel exercise are done in pregnancy to Option A. Strengthen perineal muscle. Option B. Strengthen abdominal muscle. Option C. Prevent varicose vein. Option D. Relieve backache. Answer. Option A. Strengthen perineal muscle. 16th question. A newly married healthy couple is asking for the best method of contraception and which of the following method a nurse will advise? Option A. Barrier method. Option B. Combined oral pills. Option C. Rhythm method. Option D. Intrauterine device. Answer. Combined oral pills. 17th question. Process of selecting portion of the population to participate in research study is known as Option A. Planning. Option B. Data analysis. Option C. Research. Option D. Sampling. Answer. Option D. Sampling. 18th question. Professional negligence is legally termed as Option A. Malpractice. Option B. Crime. Option C. Slander. Option D. Assault. Answer. Option A. Malpractice. 19th question. The most serious complication of deep vein thrombosis is a blockage known as Option A. Gangrenous development of vein. Option B. Chronic occlusion of vein. Option C. Pulmonary embolism. Option D. Formation of venous ulcer. Answer. Option C. Pulmonary embolism. 20th question. Identify the image. Option A. Complete breach. Option B. Frank breach. Option C. Vertex. Option D. Footling breach. Answer. Option B. Frank breach.